Hey guys, what's up? Hope you all are fine. In the previous video, I have discussed about the various data types, and in this video, I will talk about some operators which are useful to do calculations, certain calculations using C language. Okay, so I am giving the heading operators. Okay, so now there are many types of operators which I will discuss gradually, but in this video I will talk about those operators, only those operators that are used to do calculations using C language. Okay, so the first operator that I am going to discuss today is the arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operator. Okay, so now what is the arithmetic operator? As the name designates, arithmetic operators are those operators that are used to do arithmetic calculations. It may be addition between between numbers, or some multiplication, subtraction, or division. Okay, so the first arithmetic operator is addition operator. Okay, it is designated by a plus sign. It is an addition operator. If we want to add two numbers, suppose we are adding two numbers a and b. Okay, so we will use this plus sign between these, and the result will give another value. Okay, the same way the second operator is the subtraction operator or the difference operator. The third operator is the multiplication operator. Similarly, if we want to multiply two values, then we will be using this operator between those two values. Okay, and the fourth operator is division operator, and the last one is modulus operator. Okay, so now this is the modulus operator. And this is division operator. So now what is modulus operator? Okay, there is a distinct difference between these two operators. Okay, modulus operator are those operators. Okay, modulus operator are those operators that are used to give the quotient. Sorry. Modulus operator are those operators that gives the remainder value. Suppose we are using the modulus operator between two numbers a mod of b. Okay, then the value will be the remainder after dividing a by b. Okay, to be more precise, I am giving an example. Suppose we are dividing 3 by 2. Okay, and we are using modulus operator 3 by 2. Then the remainder will be, so this is the remainder, so this is modulus operator. Okay, and this division operator will give the quotient, so this will be given by the division operator. So this is the difference between division operator and the modulus operator. Modulus operator gives remainder value, and division operator gives quotient value. Okay, so this is the difference between the arithmetic modulus operator and division operator. The second operator is relational operator. Okay, relational operator is used to give relational values. Relation operator is generally used to describe a relation between two numbers. Okay, so what are the relation operators? Suppose less than equal to, It generally describes the relation between two numbers. Okay, so greater than equal to, this is the equality operator. Okay, in case of C programming we use double is equal to as the equality operator. This is equality. That means if this operator is put between two values, then according to C language those values are equal. Okay, so this is the equality operator. And the last operator is the not equality operator. So not equality is in C language is written just as the exclamation sign along with is equal to. So this is the not equality operator. Not, that means if we want to designate two values that are not equal, then we will put this not equality operator between them. Okay, so now the third operator is assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator. Okay, it generally is used to assign some value between, assign a value to a variable. Suppose this is a variable a, we are assigning a value a equal to 2, so we are using an assignment operator. So is equal to is an assignment operator. Okay, so in this way there are certain other operators also, like increment operator or decrement operator. Okay, then pointer manipulation operator. So and there are certain special operator also, but we will discuss later on, because in this video I am going to show you how to calculate by how to do certain calculations by using C language. Okay, so I am writing it, I am and explaining it through a program. So I am writing a program based on those operators. Okay, to show you how to do calculations. Okay, suppose I am giving the output here. We are taking two variables, two integer variables like a and b. Okay, and we are assigning another variable c, which will carry the summation of a and b. Okay, another variable e, which will be the result of the difference between a and b, and another variable d, which will be the multiplication of a and b. Okay, so now I am writing the program here. So following the sequence of the C language, we will start hash include stdio.h. Okay, and void main, that is the main function, parenthesis is opened, then okay, so how many values, how many variables we will take, how many integers, these are numbers, so I am taking them all as integers. Okay, so a, b, c, e, d. Okay, so I will take 1 2 3 4 5 integer values. Okay, so int a, b, c, d, e. Okay, semicolon. Now printf. Enter the two numbers. Okay, enter the first number. Then I am scanning %d and %a. Again I am printing it for the second number. Enter the second number scanf %d and %b. Okay, since this is an integer value, so we are using %d. I have discussed it in the previous videos. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then you can go through my previous videos also, then it will definitely clarify all your doubts. Okay, so now for I am doing the first operation, that is the addition. So I am assigning a value c. Okay, c, I am assigning a value c. Okay, c equal to a plus b. So I am using the assignment operator. I have already discussed the assignment operator, so I am using this. Okay, printf the product is the sum, it's a sum of %d and %d is equal to %d a comma b comma c. Okay, so I am closing the inverted comma here. Again I am assigning a value e equal to a minus b. Okay, so this is another assignment operator. So I am using the difference between a and b in e. Printf the difference of %d and %d is equal d a comma b comma d. So a comma b comma e, sorry. Okay, so here a, b and e is involved, so that's why while printing the value e, I am using a, b and e. Okay, because e is nothing but the difference between these two variables, so I am using this here. And the third one is, and the last one is d equal to the multiplication operator. So the product is printf the product is product of %d and %d is equal to %d. So what will I write? A, B, D. Okay, so the parenthesis is closed. I am showing it now on computer. So I have written this on the computer. Okay, in the same way, and I have saved it in the format of yt3.c. So I have maintained the extension for C, that is I have maintained that .c format. Okay, so every C program you write, you must save it in this format only. Okay, so I am checking it whether it's correct or not, and then I am showing you by running it. Okay, so just going to the execute option, compiling it. See, it's giving 0 error, that means the program written is absolutely correct. So now I am running it. Okay, just going to the execute option, run. You can directly press F10 also. So I am putting the first number as suppose 78, second number as 89. See, the sum of 78 and 89 is 167. The difference of 78 and 89 is -11. Okay, and the product is, okay, I should put a larger number in front because the difference is coming in negative all. Okay, and the product is 6942. Okay, I am showing you again, crossing it, and I am showing you again, execute option, run. So I am putting the first number as say 798. Okay, then I'm pressing enter. Enter the second number as 567. See, I've taken the first number 798, the second number is 567, the sum is 1365, the difference is 231, and the product is 452466. So we can do any calculation, just it acts like a calculator. Okay, we can do any calculation by using C language. Okay, so in the next video I will in this video I haven't talked about the division operator and the division and the modulus operator, but in the next video I will show you a program consisting of the modulus as well as the division operator. Okay, because if I have shown this in this video, then the video would be too long. So in the next video definitely I will show you the division operator and the modulus operator. So keep watching my channel. Thank you. Meet you soon.